Hey everybody, Joel here. So my wife Lori has been gracious enough to make a quick video of her cleaning out the auger. She sucked up a curtain or some type of debris in the driveway that was covered with snow at the end of the driveway. The snowplow must have pushed it up into our driveway and she couldn't see it. So as you'll see, it's a fabric type of material, maybe drapes or curtains or something. But she's going to use her craft tools to get this out. So go ahead, take a watch. Also, we want to mention that the batteries are removed for safety. She's got her fingers all around the auger, and for safety purposes, the battery should always be removed when working on something like that. So take that power source and get it disconnected, as she did in this case. So thank you to Lori for putting together this video for us to enjoy today. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to my shop. My husband wanted me to record against my wishes, but I am doing this for my husband. This is actually the basement of our rental unit. Shh, don't tell the landlord. But I was snow throwing the other day, trying to clear 3+ feet of snow from the driveway, and somebody's garbage ended up on my path of clearing, and here's remnants of it, but it ended up being 2 curtains that somebody had thrown away. I don't know if you can tell it, but it got sucked in and jammed up all around the auger, and Sonia actually got most of it freed last night before we went to a movie. But if you can tell, the shiny material in there is curtain still, and that has to come undone. So I printed off some instructions on how to remove the auger, and I'm going to see if I can get that curtain freed before another dump of snow on Sunday into Monday. So after attempting to find the right tool out of my husband's limited toolbox that he left behind, I'm sure he has the correct tool, but I am not finding it. So I am going to use my trusty paper crafting tools, my box cutter, and my handy dandy scissors. We'll see how this goes. All right, so here we go. Don't mind my Saturday morning look. It's from I Don't Care. And so, like I said before, I'm going to use my crafting tools, my paper scissors, and my handy dandy box cutter. And I'm going to see if I can cut it out. well, here we are. About 30 minutes of persistent cutting and pulling. And it is free at last. Oof, thank God. I have a snow thrower for Sunday. Now I just need to make sure I get it cleaned out and upstairs and outside and make sure it is still functioning properly and there wasn't any additional damage done or fabric stuck somewhere that I am not seeing. It is moving, so I am trusting and believing that this is going to work for me. Thank God.